Yeah, that's the stuff. Oh man, that's cool.
You're under arrest!
What?
Come free if you want to live.
One. Sucker. Action.
Why are they trying to kill me? I don't know. I'm out of ammo. Me too. I'm trying to ask you guys to come to my Thanksgiving party. God. Oh.
Wait, why do you then send guys with guns trying to kill us?
What guys with guns? I never sent any guys to try and kill you. Oh. Sorry.
And why do you have guns?
Oh, I just came from hunting.
Oh, okay.
Well, we don't need these anymore. Yeah, you're right.
You gonna throw it?
Sorry, honey. I hope you forgive me.
Okay, where's the thing? Where did he go?
Over there. What?